How to convert email files into SQL scripts. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to convert email files into SQL scripts using Forensics Email to SQL Converter software. To install the Forensics Email to SQL Converter software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool enables the user to choose EML or MSG files and convert them into SQL scripts. Each option further allows the user to choose Files or Choose Folders option. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing EML files. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of folders containing EML files will appear on the left. Click on any folder to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it showing the list of all the EML files. Contents of the EML file can be previewed on the panel on the right. This tool also enables the user to search for the particular EML files. Now let's see the conversion process. Click on Export button and select Convert to SQL option. The user can select or deselect folders for conversion using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Location bar allows the user to select the destination path for the converted SQL script. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders option removes all the old folders on the destination path. Enable or disable it using the button. Open Folder after export is done option will open the merged folder location after completion. Enable or disable it using the button. Server option allows the user to choose the SQL server for which conversion needs to be done. Table name will define the name of the table in the converted SQL script. This panel displays a list of tables of contents that will be included in the converted SQL script. Enable or disable it using the button. To start the conversion process, click Save button, and conversion process will start. Shortly, a pop-up will appear on screen indicating that Trail version will only process 10 files, and to remove the conversion limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click on OK. Click on Open Folder button to open the destination folder. Click Open any file to view the output. And here you have your newly converted SQL script. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.